Good day everyone. This day I will share a story about Sinda by Marie Aubrey Villaseran. In the story, Liza is the main character. Liza is separated from her father because of another family. Liza still accepted her dad even though she knew it was his father's sin against them by her mom and Meg. Nowadays, many people really make mistakes because we are all not perfect. So, we should learn to forgive because they will also change when they realize all the mistakes they have made. Even if it hurts, we have to accept it. So, why do other guys cheat on their wives? Because the others seem to have no appetite in the relationship. But it is not right to have a relationship with others if you are married and should be satisfied with only one. If you and your spouse have a problem, you should talk about it because it still takes a long time to fix. This part of Liza, she forgives her father even though she is angry because her love for her father prevails. We Filipinos must learn to forgive and love those who are close to us, especially our family. And that's all. Thank you.